selling for your business, you want to make double of what you pay for it. And at the spot that we go to, everything's half off. So wherever you see on the tag, that's what we pay half as a vendor, or you know, business owner. So this is one of the purses, y'all. Let me zoom in. Oh my god, hold on, there you go. Back up a little bit. Isn't this so cute? Yeah, when I saw this purse, I was like, oh my god, I need one for myself. Let me see. Look how it is when you open it inside. I probably need my phone real quick if I can take a picture. But look at, what? This is so freaking cute. So we got this one, which is it has like a little gold in it. We got this in silver, and we got a black one as well. This one is so freaking cute. It reminds me of a retro, like, no, it's giving like retro vibes, like the 60s, 70s. Is that the era when they used it? You know what, don't laugh at me. But this is so cute. It comes with extra straps too on the side. And we have this in, I think it's gold. We have this in gold. I kind of don't want to open it. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures because it's like so perfectly packaged. And like, if you have a shopping problem, it is so difficult to shop. Like, to go to wholesale, when you go to the wholesaler, these basketballs are like one of our best sellers, and it comes with a longer strap too. But this is our first time having this colorway. Usually we always get the gold, the brown, the pink, the red, the blue. Literally we have every color. This is the newest one, the newest color. It's so cute. Like, what? And this is 30 bucks. Well, yeah. Anyway, like this is how I wear it. If you saw which last year on my birthday, I wore the black one like this. Cute. So freaking cute. I don't like for personally, when I wear mine, I don't use the long strap. I just carry it with it like this. It's so cute. I keep on saying it's cute, but it is. And they put it in this bag too. Okay, let's change the gears a little bit. See, oh my god, so freaking cute. And my battery was to die. All right, but we'll make the best of it. Can you guys see? It's so cute. And it comes with the straps inside. This is the extra strap. I wonder why it comes with this. Oh, it's a rubber band. Okay. Okay. So we have, this is the Pepsi. We have Coke. We have Diet Coke. It's all on my memory, y'all. Sprite. And the Sprite is bigger. But these are so freaking cute. So cute. Oh, we coming to an end to the purses. So the next one. Oh, so cute. It's giving retro vibes. You guys know this is like a theme that's going on. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. And just like the other ones, it opens on the top. Comes with a long strap. I kind of want to keep this for myself. This is so freaking cute. So cute. Yes, we have, let's see, So we have this one in a different color wave as well. Love bedazzled stuff. Yeah, I'm here for it. Let me put it back. I'm gonna put the pricing, or you know, I was gonna put the link to our website, because hopefully everything's on the website by the time this video is up, because I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do, a lot of editing. I'm still working on finishing when we took our road trip to Las Vegas. I'm still working on those vlogs. So it is summer, it is hot outside. You guys can need UV protection. Yeah, UV protection is a must. We got so many glasses. I'm thinking, so basically this is all for, well, it's for the site as well, but majority is for our pop-ups that we're doing literally tomorrow, Sunday, and then next week is me and my mom's marketplace. You guys know me and mom own, we just started our own marketplace, so we need inventory for all that. I'm being 100% transparent. So for our online sales, we probably make about 1 to 3 a week, maybe. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Sometimes we don't make anything a week from our online sales. So I'm being honest. So I'm gonna put, of course I'm putting everything on our site, just you know, just to have a little bit of hope. But majority of the stuff that we do sell is from our pop-ups and or marketplace. I don't know what you guys call it. A lot of people, I'm assuming, well, I already know, it's more popular out here in California, because every time I'm online, people always question what I'm doing, like they don't know. So we got, I think these should be about maybe $10 to $15. These are so cute. I feel like it's giving, it's a vibe, it's a whole vibe. Let's see. Whew, these are a lot of glasses. I don't know if I should just, let me see. I'm just gonna pull out some of these. So some of these are repeats that we had from our last one as well. I just got some more. It's actually a lot. I'll probably just insert some pictures, because these are a lot of glasses. I didn't, like, literally I was just grabbing them. And at our wholesaler, yeah, they're the GOAT. They're the GOAT. So usually when you go to a wholesaler, you have to buy one style, but variety of different colors of that one style. So for instance, for sunglasses, you buy, I think the minimum purchase is 12, but it's the same style but different colors, so it'll be 12 each. Our vendor, our wholesaler, they are so cool. They let us buy whatever we want, so we can mix match, we can do whatever for wholesale. I like that better, because like, who want, you know what I mean, it's kind of hard to sell 12 of the same with different colors, personally. All right, these are a lot of glasses. When we do our pop-up, I'm going to put these on display, so I'll show you guys in depth then. We got a lot of hats too. We got a lot of stuff. I want to do a photo shoot. That's what needs to be done, a photo shoot. We got earrings as well. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. They put all our hats in here. I think we bought about 10 hats. I think we bought the bucket hats. You guys know I love bucket hats. I love hats, period. We got daddy hats, cowboy hats. Whew. And I'm getting tired. I want to show you guys the dress. So I'm going to put, let me see. And one thing I don't like about this wholesaler, they don't package each of the items separately. You know what I mean? Like, they put everything like in a garment bag for us. That's it. I don't like that. And hangers, but you know, it's always good to have hangers. But I prefer everything in plastic. I do. Because I really don't feel like taking this out. You know, I'm gonna insert some pictures. How about that? So when you're buying clothes, you have to buy 6. So 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 larges. Some vendors, I don't know why I keep calling them vendors. Some wholesalers make you buy, I think one of the wholesalers that's very popular, they make you buy 3 smalls, 2 mediums, and 1 large. Yeah, I don't like that because majority of our customers wear are like large and medium. So that's basically it. That's how you can flip, how you can make some more money. So for instance, you can buy some earrings for about like $2. You can sell them on your website, or if you do pop-ups like me and my mom do, you can double your money and just keep on repeating. Buy like 6, 5 or 6, whatever your budget is, and just keep on repeating, and that's how you can stack your money. Always put some in savings. So that's basically what we do. And like I said earlier, I'm being 100% transparent. We don't make a lot of sales online. I feel like it's slow and steady. I love slow and steady over anything. But yeah, we only get about 1 or 2 sales, maybe 3. It ranges, but you know, at least it's something. But me and my mom, we make more money when we do our pop-ups. If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna have a playlist for you guys to check it out, because literally that's how we really get our stuff out there when we do pop-ups. And we have, like I said, we have some coming tomorrow, and so I'm gonna be vlogging that. I'm gonna be on live like usual, so follow me on all my social media platforms. Usually on TikTok and Instagram, I post there more. I'm always on live on either one. Sometimes I'm on live on both because I have 2 phones. So yeah, you guys can interact with me that way too as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was short, but I showed you guys the gist of how to make more, how to flip money, make more money, I guess, when you're a small business. Yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description. Oh my god, it's late, y'all. Feel free to leave a comment. I respond, and that's it.